Hey everyone, it's Loki here. We're going to look at how to put everyone onto one team. One way you can do that is by creating a child class of a game mode, and you override in the functions on the left here. You can find the override for get pawn class for controller. If you get the controller and cast it, get the team of that. You could probably also actually just get team using the interface here, and make sure, if that's not equal to team 1, then change team. And you can have a custom spawn class in here as well, which we've used tutorial soldier, but you can also pull this return value in to make sure that it's still the same pawn that's going to get spawned. So that's one way of doing it. Another way of doing this is in the mod SDK. I have got a player controller. So in the player controller, what I've done is I've got the authority, so the server, or it could potentially be you actually, looping every 3 seconds just to check if his team is not equal to 1, and if it is not equal to 1, then change teams with ID to team 1. And that's pretty much all you need. Now, the thing about this method is it's timer based, and it's not very ideal because it's going to run over and over, whereas with the game mode method, it's definitive. You're going to spawn as team 1 because you're going to change teams before you even get there. Now, there is one more caveat to this, which I will bring up now. Yeah, I'm back. So the server config INI has a couple of settings in it, and one of them is number of players diff for team changes. You want to set that to 0. You've also got allow team changes. You want that to be true, and prevent team change if unbalanced false. So what this stops is the idea that the game will try and auto balance the teams. Another thing that you might need to do in the world settings of your map is to change force no team change timer to true. So then there won't be a timer when you switch team. That might not be necessary if you're using the game mode method, but if you're using the player controller method, you will need to do that, because if someone joins late and then tries to switch team, they'll get a timer pop up. Anyway, cool. Thanks for watching. I hope that helps. Go and make some cool mods with single team stuff. See you later.